the side of your demonstrate hand.
Okay, backhand. Go, forehand. Go.
So good afternoon everyone, I'm Uriah Laikaroasa Basha. So I'm demonstrating a clear and shot.
Go.
Clear, a high shot that sends the shuttle to the back of the opponent's court. Shot, any hit or stroke of the shuttle in badminton.
Okay, go. Go. Shoot. Go.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Amina Angelica Cienfuque and I'm demonstrating drive and smash.
Okay, drive. 2, 3, smash.
Hello everyone, my name is Wendy Diabarca and today I will be demonstrating the ready and position footwork. So the ready means the stance you take to be prepared for the next shot. And the position, it is the spot on the court where you stand to play effectively.
Okay, go. Go.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jiva Ismail and X formation Y. Formation A double formation where players can enjoy or the performing in an X with using for acting. Y formation and double formation where a player is the front and move the back of Y. Jeff usually defense.
Go. Go.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Chantal Yunti Mahoyo and I am demonstrating low serve and high serve. Low serve, a gentle serve that just clears the net and lands near the opponent's front court. High serve, a serve hit high and deep to reach the back of the opponent's court.
Serve. I serve. Go.
I am Arthur G. of Macnor and I am demonstrating flick serve and drive serve. Flick serve is a quick, deceptive serve that sends the shuttle high and deep, while drive serve is a fast, low serve that goes straight over the net.
6, shoot. Go. Go.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Ajay Bitanga, currently in Aquino, and now we are officiating the officials in badminton. Referee, the main official is responsible for all conduct of the match for the are followed, makes final decisions on the and supervises umpire and other officials. Umpire controls the match, decides goals, score points, and announces the score. Ensures fair play and applies the rules. Service judge watches the service to ensure it is being done. Calls fault for short services, overhand serves, or wrong positions. Line judge observes whether the shuttles land in or out of the court line. Signal the umpire with hand gestures to indicate line calls.